Hi, this is Sean from Hotels Coins, and this is the second part of our massive PCGS shipment unboxing. Hello everyone again, welcome to our second video of our large PCGS unboxing. Our first video, we went through the first half of the deal. Now we're going to the second half altogether. We sent in 49 coins. Ranging from dollars to pennies, semi-key date stuff. The next shipment, this one, we're going to be working with like seated half dollars, Walking Liberty half dollars, and such. So let's get started. First up is a 1916D Walking Liberty half dollar. Nice original coin. A little bit more detail than you normally see in your 1916 Walking Liberty halves that are in circulation. And this one is a VF35. So very nice coin. Next up, we sent in some 21D Walking Liberty halves. These have been going up in value lately. So it's not too bad. It's not too late right now to get on this and buy more of these. Most of the 21s you do see out there are very worn. It's hard to see a full rim on 1921. So they're highly collectible even in this type of condition. So this one's PCGS VG8. We've got another 21D, same type of condition. This one's going to be a VG8 also. So like I said, they're low condition like these are still very collectible, and they will continue to go up in my opinion. Here's another 1921D, and this one is also a VG8. Here's one a little bit less grade. This one is in a good 6 holder. Nice full detail and full date. That's what you're worried about. You really want a full date on these. Here's another 1921. And this one is in VG8 condition. And another 21D. Yeah, I know I had a lot of 21Ds. Been saving them up, and I decided to send them all in at once to get them graded. And this one is VG detailed. Filed rim. So they're saying there's a rim problem somewhere on the coin. But don't see it, but I'll have to look from the loop later on. There's a little bit of nicks in the rim. Maybe they're called. Yeah, here we are. This is probably the call in a file rim. There's a couple of rim nicks up in here, but still decent detail for the coin. Next, we have another 1921D. And this one is in a good 6 holder. So a few 1921Ds. Like I said, they're low condition. They're still very collectible in that type of grade. Here's a 1921 S version of that coin. So this one's from San Francisco compared to Denver in the last one. And this one is a VG10. We have another 1921 S Walking Liberty half, and this one is VG10 also. Semi-key date, 1915 Barber silver half dollar. Original color on this coin, and this one is a VG10. Very nice. Next we have a Liberty V nickel. A little bit mint luster still left on it. Nice original color. No distracting marks or black marks or whatnot. So very collectible eye appeal in my opinion. And this one was an AU55. Next we have second year Standing Liberty quarter. And this is a 1917D. Type 2 with the stars underneath the eagle. Nice original color for a circulated coin, and this one came back AU50. Next we have a little bit disappointed on this one. This is a 1929D, beautiful luster on it. You can tell it's uncirculated, but the problem is on this one, it's if you can see it, is the staining right here. So they did call it unk detail, and it is because of that stain on the reverse. As you can see, I'm going to try to remove that stain and resubmit it. So hopefully you'll see it again in a future video without the detail grade. But still very, very nice coin. Next we have a 1941. And as you can see, with the different finish on it, this is a proof. So we got 1941 proof silver Washington quarter. And they graded this one proof 64. And as you can tell, I did grade a proof set the $half in my regular submission. This is just from the economy submission. So I have a $41 $half. Still waiting on a regular submission to get back. So this is a 1941 proof. Wheat cent. Nice little red color on it. And this came back proof 65. Next we have very beautiful, gorgeous 1941 proof dime. Proof mercury dime. No marks on it. I mean, it's hard to do it justice in a video. In real life, it's an absolutely beautiful coin. No spots on it. Blast white. Amazing mirror finish to it. And this one came back proof 67. So very, very nice hit on this one. Lastly, we got the nickel. This is a 1941 proof nickel. Very hazy. And they call this one Detail Spot Removed. So they're saying there was a spot that was removed. This coin was messed with, but with the hazing on it, I don't know. But it's not worth resubmitting again. It's too expensive for a nickel. There's not much upside to it. So I'll leave it in the holder and just auction it off. If you want to see any of our future auctions, you go to hertelescoins.com, where these coins will be available on the shop page. And we also run weekly auctions. There's a tab on top on our website you can go to for weekly auctions. Well, that's it for all the graded coins we had for the two-part series. We'll have more submissions. I think I got like 10 submissions in the PCGS. They're taking a long time, so hopefully we get them out soon so we can make more videos for you guys. So hopefully I'll see you in those future videos. And always please like and subscribe our videos. And I hope to see you again. Thank you.